This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Roblox not moving on your PC. First, ensure your internet connection is stable. A weak signal can cause movement issues. Next, try restarting both the Roblox application and your entire computer. This simple step often resolves temporary glitches. Finally, verify the integrity of your Roblox game files through the player settings to ensure no corrupted data is preventing proper function. Outdated drivers are a common culprit for performance problems. Make sure your graphics drivers are fully updated to their latest version, as this significantly impacts game rendering. Similarly, keep your operating system updated, as system-wide improvements can enhance game compatibility. Don't forget to check for any pending Roblox application updates, as developers frequently release fixes and optimizations. Sometimes, in-game settings can hinder movement. Try lowering your Roblox graphics settings to a more modest level, especially if your PC isn't high-end. Also, disable any third-party overlays or background applications that might be interfering with the game's input or performance. Lastly, confirm there are no conflicts with your keyboard or controller inputs, ensuring they are properly recognized by the game. If the problem persists, a complete reinstallation of Roblox is often the most effective solution. First, uninstall the game, then manually clear any remaining cache files to ensure a fresh start. After reinstalling, test the game again. If you're still experiencing issues, it's time to contact Roblox support directly. They can provide personalized assistance and advanced troubleshooting steps for your specific situation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.